A very warm welcome to my channel. So previously I shared with you how to make beef jollof rice in bulk, and I promised to share with you how I made the jollof stew base. In today's video, I'm just here to share the process with you. So do stick with me if you want to know how this was made. And if you're new to this channel, we share healthy recipes I know you would love. So just sit back, relax, and then enjoy. Thank you. So I'll start by blending some ginger, garlic, and then some onion. With the onion, I used three of that. I also added some rosemary, star anise seeds, some scallions, and green chili. I'll then blend and then I'll set aside. All ingredients used are listed in the description box, so do check. When I'm done, I'll preheat my pot and then add some oil. Afterwards, I added some bay leaves and then some rosemary, and I also added 850 grams of tomato paste. But I had like a tablespoon or more of the tomato paste in the freezer, so I just added it. I should have added some sliced onions earlier, but I forgot. And then since I had already sliced it, I had to make use of it because enamdodo and sein and kwan. So I'll just stir and then let it be on fire for 7 minutes while I proceed to the next stage. In a blender, I'll add some onion, green chili, some shrimps, and that's optional. I'll then add some pepper and then green bell pepper as well, and I'll blend and set aside. It's been 7 minutes already, so I'll just stir and then I'll add the onion and garlic paste I blended earlier, and I'm gonna stir this and let it be on fire for like 10 minutes while stirring periodically. So after 10 minutes, I'll just add the pepper I blended earlier, and then I'll be stirring this consistently for like 15 minutes so it doesn't burn. At this stage, you can smell all the flavors. And to a blender again, I'll just be blending my tomatoes. You can use fresh tomatoes, and that's okay. And then I used 3 cans. The stew has been on fire for 15 minutes roughly. I'll just add the tomatoes I blended and then I'll give it a stir. So at this stage, I'll just leave it and then allow it to properly cook, and it's gonna be on fire for 30 to 35 minutes while I stir consistently. If you're still watching, thank you so much. I truly appreciate. Please don't forget to like, share, and then subscribe to others. It's been 35 minutes, but the aroma from this stew, Charlie, yeah, I'll just stir for a while and then I'll start adding my seasoning. I just added a teaspoon of salt and I added some natural spice blend, that's from Sankofa, and I also added some curry powder, and I'll stir everything together beautifully. When I'm done, I'll just add some mackerel and then some tuna. And then I'll give it a stir. At this stage, you could see that I had lowered my gas because not 82 so it was on a very low heat. And after stirring, I just added some smoked tuna. That's our way. Now, me said any baby into kakrebina may add there, and this is gonna take it to another level. Yeah, mefa tuna kakra and I'm fast some mackerel kakra and I'm a far away so kakra until I just imagine. And it be so until say what the can with stew ho and ja. So I let the stew be on fire for extra 10 minutes because jollof stew there and see just so enche. So this is the next day after making the stew because I allowed it to cool down, and this was what I got. If you really enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and then subscribe. When you try this recipe, please don't forget to give a feedback. See you in my next video. Bye.